The Toybox 3D printer is a complex toy that makes objects by heating plastic filament, or as we call it, printer food, and layering it into shapes. With this in mind, it's very important to never touch the toy box while it's printing. It has moving parts that are really sharp and could potentially cut you. The nozzle is also hot and can remain hot even after printing. After you have printed something, I know we all want to get that toy off the print bed as quickly as possible, but please, wait for the toy to cool down. A minute should do. Never try to use your finger or fingernail to remove a print or any print residue. The print bed flexes, and when flexed, should allow you to lift the print off easily. Please have your parent help you, especially if you are 12 or under. It's always a good idea to have a parent present to see what you're doing, but also to join in on the fun. Let's face it, printing toys is amazingly cool, even for older folks. Make sure the power cord and adapter are always in good shape. This means keeping your pet hamster from gnawing on the cord and other things like that. We don't want anyone to get an electric shock. And speaking of electricity, the toy box does not like water. Never spray water or any liquid at the machine, and never put the machine into water. If you accidentally spill something on the toy box, unplug it at the wall immediately. Printing toys can be a hungry business, but eating the toy is not a good idea. There can be small pieces that can choke you, so make sure everyone keeps all printed pieces out of your mouth. Ask mom for a PB&J, it's much nicer. Never take your toy box apart. It will break the toy box and could hurt you. In the very unlikely situation that the machine starts to overheat, smoke, or suddenly stops turning on, unplug the machine at the wall, do not touch it as it might be hot, and contact Toybox. You can do that by going to www.make.toys/help, and in the top right hand corner, click Submit a Request, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. We want you to have hours and hours of fun with your toy box, but more importantly, we want you to have safe fun with your toy box. Thanks for watching this safety crash course. What are you waiting for? Get to printing.